gonna be no safe parts, baby. So are there crocodiles in this? Are there crocodiles here? Hi, hello. Hi vlog. I feel like I've changed my hair like a million times. Okay. Yeah, I feel like I've changed my hair a million times since I've been in Ghana, but what can we do? Like, what can we do? I've straightened it. I don't know how long this is gonna last, but I was gonna straighten it on Monday for camp, but honestly, I'm over my wigs. If I want to wear a wig tomorrow, I'm not sure I'm doing hair tomorrow because it's a wedding. Anyways, I'm going into everything too fast. Hi. Today isn't the next day after my last vlog. Today is actually a day after that because yesterday I didn't vlog nothing because I just wanted to have a do nothing day. So I washed some clothes by hand. Can you believe it? Yes. I washed my hair. I then like braided it into like ASAP Rocky braids so it could dry and stretch, and I straightened it this morning. Went to church, which was amazing. Didn't really vlog anything. Just went to church. After church, came home. Yeah, that was it. So today I actually should be calling an Uber as I'm making this vlog because I've just told the girls to head there now. But yeah, I'm going to Botanical Gardens. We're gonna pick and choose what we want to do when we get there anyways. And then we're going to ANC Mall, and then we're just gonna flow all the day. Like whatever for that day, that's what we're gonna do. Let me call this Uber because Ubers in this place can actually take 17 million years, which is, man, it's not easy. This is my outfit. Just got a skirt on. The skirt is like I ordered my clothes this morning, and the skirt just creases. Like Hash had my ride yesterday. No, he's not getting 5 star. He was rude. Professionalism, pickup, conversation, done. My Uber yesterday, as soon as I got in the car, started shouting at me like, sorry. All right, guys. See you guys in my Uber. Come on, arms hitting me. Peace out. Currently in the Uber, this is what the wind has done to my hair. Look at where my pattern is. Anyways, let me show you guys outside, and yeah. Hi guys, waiting for the light to settle. Then look at the lens. Too late. Hi guys, so we're here at the Legon Botanical Gardens, and okay. At Legon Botanical Gardens at this restaurant called Taiba. So we've been waiting.
Oh, Taiba.
Yeah, so I'm here with Gilda and Yovi. Are they here? Oh yeah, you can see them. Yes, they can. Yeah, it's a bit of weird lighting here, but it's fine. I'm taking over.
It's right near. There you go.
This is harder than I thought, okay? I'm taking over the vlog.
Honeymoon.
Oh, you
should get into the, you know, for you guys' memories.
Nice. You should.
I should vlog the honeymoon.
Yeah, so you remember it, and then in years you can look back and then you can show your kids the
kids.
safe parts and be like, oh, mommy. And
There ain't gonna be no safe parts, baby.
just show them the view or something.
Yeah, just show them the view.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm getting married in like 1 week, and these guys.
Wedding bells, wedding bells.
So comment down below
cannot wait.
if you think I should vlog the honeymoon.
What they said that they should practice for the practice kids, can you believe it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we've been waiting for the food for like 20 minutes, so say a prayer.
Like 40.
We'll show you what the food looks like when and if it comes.
It will come in.
This area is cute. It looks really nice. I think it looks better on the camera than in real life.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Made it look proper nice.
It looks really cute. Glorious. Now, what's your dish?
A benquine.
A benqua.
A benquine.
A benquine with banku.
Also known as palm nut soup.
Palm nut soup and honey glaze something.
Fake honey glaze something. It's really kebab.
I must say, I'm not doing a very good job at vlogging today, but oh, my hair.
Food when it came.
Yeah, a little bit. My hair is completely just.
But it's still not as bad as nothing is fine.
going to the, where is it? Oh, it's over there. Oh, the gardens now. My hair is a mess. Oh my days.
What?
Trying to cross the road. I probably shouldn't have the camera out. I'm trying to cross the road.
Probably couldn't go. It's not the best time.
They're quiet.
Let's go.
Oh, my bag's open. Oh, my phone's falling.
What are you doing?
My phone is in my skirt.
I don't understand you people here. How do you close this bar? Close the bar.
Put it there. Oh, inside.
This is too complicated.
Thank you.
It's your water.
That's how it still really is, guys. Caught her on camera. Did you see? Not that nice.
Almost dying on the road.
Not that nice. That's what we ate. Can you see it? Over there. And now we're going into the Botanical Gardens. And then, if I remember to take this camera out, I will. I'm stuffed. My skirt is tight. Oh, red sign.
You guys won't believe it. There's an ATM.
Oh my gosh. The ATM right there. Ah, Ghanaians. I can't.
It's okay, maybe this one would have charged us.
It's fine, it's well. We're here now, it's fine. Legon Botanical Gardens. In the gardens.
Canopy because the Avela's being gobbled.
Really? I kind of want to do it now.
Well, I will wave at you.
Oh, it's not that high. It's actually not that high.
Is that the canoe?
Okay, let's go to the canoe anyways. Hello, Goosey. I don't want to get closer just in case they like attack me. Oh, there's more. There's another one there. I can't believe the state of my hair, honestly. But it's well. Got my gear on. She's getting her gear on.
She ready.
She ready. Can we leave? I don't. I think this is Albert coming up. Who lost their braids after the canoe? Where's... Is it that powerful? Oh, I'm doing this fingers We on the water. We on the water.
There's a song about water.
Wait, did that
Check
go
pictures.
crocodile?
What? Who? No, guys, like, I think I would lose my heart.
If you saw a crocodile?
I would lose, no, I would swim. No, I would
No,
fly.
that's such a bad idea.
I don't know what I would do. What can you do?
If you saw...
Yeah, that's it. Actually, I only have faith.
Crocodiles like usually flip over the boat though.
I bind in the name of Jesus.
So are there crocodiles in this? Are there crocodiles here?
No animals. No fish. Fish. Oh.
Are there hippos?
Tilapia. Guys, it's tilapia.
Hey.
Let's catch tilapia.
Do you know how to fish?
We need to just grab it quick and then
You can die fishing or you think it's a lie. Because if we end up in the water, you'll be swimming like the fish, the tilapia will be laughing.
The tilapia be laughing.
Yeah.
Not the fish.
Googling.
Hey, the geese are, oh, these are doves.
No, I don't even know what kind of...
They're not doves, they're like doves. Excuse my hair, at this point, I'm over it. I plaited this side because it was just a mess. My face is a mess. But anyways, we changed location. Me and Na are at ANC Mall in Legon. I don't know where we are to be honest, but we're just somewhere here. Yavelia's gone to meet Bae, she left us. She's trying on bracelets. To be honest, I feel like this mall is very anticlimactic. Like, but anyways, let's just walk around and then I want some ice cream, so maybe get some ice cream.
Some ice cream?
Kwabena. Let me see. What day is Kwabena? What's Monday for boy?
Monday for a boy?
Yeah.
It's not Kojo.
Oh.
Monday Kojo. Yeah.
Oh, you don't have a kujo.
Why, who's Kojo? You're really suspicious. You're really suspicious.
If I see a thingy when I want to get it though, I need the iPhone charger for my iPad because I don't have an iPad charger. I need an iPad charger for camp. Oh, let's go here into what? Ice cream
Yeah, put the topping to the top. Yeah.
and some pancakes. But I don't like. What are Ghanaian snacks now? You're Ghanaian.
All over, all over.
That's.
All over.
I want a Ghanaian snack. What's the Ghanaian chip? Like
Ghanaian chip?
crisps. What's Ghanaian crisps? Oh my gosh, this is Ghanaian. Look,
That is Ghanaian.
this is Ghanaian. High quality. Yes,
She wants the
Ghanaian.
one produced.
The one that's for Ghana. Which one? Crackles.
Yeah, crackles.
This is Ghanaian.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, thank you. What flavor? Barbecue flavored potato chip.
They didn't even look nice. Anyway.
People say this is tasty. I know.
Which one? This one's tasty.
Torty chips.
40 chips. How much is it? 1 point.
It's a cross between a torty.
Okay, well I'm
and
gonna try one of those. Put that in the basket. Oh, missed. Anything else? What else is Ghanaian snack? A nice snack for Ghana. Ghanaians that you
Yes,
get.
there and here.
This.
Yeah, there's beneath.
So these.
This is peanuts, man.
Yeah,
I
it's
can
a Ghanaian
get, I can get peanuts in England.
No, these are the Ghanaian peanuts.
Why
There's those ones.
Do you guys sell burger?
Burger.
I've had burger before, but burger's the peanuts with the coconut.
The pizza section.
The pizza section. No, burger the nuts.
Maybe.
Peanuts.
Maybe.
Burger peanuts. Cartier burger.
No.
Oh,
Check from here. That's
is it here?
This is kind of like burger.
here.
But burger is just peanuts as well.
That's the snack, Gilda.
Okay, a burger I understand because it says burger and there isn't a burger, but this. Everyone in the UK, how much do you think? What do you think this tastes like?
Oh,
It tastes like peanuts. The only thing is it's served in the bottle.
From Ghana. Or unless you go outside and you eat buffalo.
Let's go. Do you guys have that
eat
Ghanaian chocolate? Let's go to
kose.
chocolate section. Let's go to chocolate section.
Tired of Auntie Gilda.
Ah.
That's the vlog.
Okay, this is Ghanaian, yeah? Ah, okay.
A Ghanaian
Yeah.
snack.
Up
Pebbles
to
are
here.
also a
Medasi.
Ghanaian snack.
Ah, these are Ghanaian snacks. See? What's this? Milk chocolate. King's
Wait,
Bite.
You must have seen King's Bite before.
Where? From where?
Really?
I've never had
seen
King's Bite. I've never tasted King's Bite before. This is, how much is this? 3 cedi. This is free cedi.
Yeah,
Okay, let me try the 1 cedi
I
one.
like this one better actually.
That's 3 cedi to 4. What's this? Lemon flavored milk chocolate. Wouldn't have this in the UK. I don't know.
Fine Ice is a Ghanaian snack.
Yeah, I want finance, but they don't have finance.
And yogurt is a Ghanaian snack.
Yeah,
And yogurt
it's no, it's finished. When do you guys put more? Do you work here? Sorry. Oh, you work here. You guys have uniform though.
That's the uniform.
Just the
Wearing
uniform.
a t-shirt.
Oh, forgive. Messy. Okay, I didn't see. Okay, so we got chocolate. This is Ghanaian,
Yeah, Milo, the Milo cubes.
but is this not like Nigerian as well?
No, it's not. It's not. It's Ghanaian. Tell her.
From Tema.
Yes, from
How
Tema.
much is this one, please? 4 cedi.
90% or 50%.
This
The
is
price
5 cedi.
doesn't count, yeah.
Ah, I must pay 5 cedi for Milo.
Yeah,
Or for
Milo
video.
cubes for energy. Okay.
Milo cubes. I know, but it's 5 cedi thingy.
Don't say Nigerian to the camera.
Nigerian, they're trying to take your snack. Okay, what about drinks? Do you guys have Ghanaian drinks?
We have Alvaro.
Okay, Alvaro. I've already been publishing that one. Everyone's seen Alvaro. Oh, this is
Frutelli
juice.
is also a Ghanaian.
Frutelli. Is this Ghanaian? You sure?
Calipo. Yeah, it's Ghanaian.
Calipo.
And Calipo is also
Okay.
a very Ghanaian drink.
Okay, Calipo. Which flavor is nice? I'll try
Orange
pineapple.
multi-fruit is nice.
Where's multi-fruit? Multi-fruit.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna collect more Ghanaian snacks from somewhere. Hi guys. As you can tell, I'm. Oh, where's my phone? Oh, the music's not going down. Okay. As you can tell, I'm home. Now, this is the earliest I think I've been home since I reached out Ghana. It's 8:39 p.m. and I'm home. But I'm exhausted. Like, I am literally tired. I'm wearing my pajamas. I'm gonna hold my hair up. I might plait it into 2. I don't know. Put a bonnet on. I don't know why I was so tired. I think I'm tired because I've been out every single day. Like, who goes out every single day? Not me. Like, I don't. So my body's just finished. There's no time for me to rest. Monday I'm going to camp. Don't know how I'm getting there yet. I have no idea how I'm getting there. I'll find somewhere somehow. I'll figure out tomorrow. That's it for today. I keep like starting and finishing the vlog, so I don't know if this can be the end of its own video, if it's gonna be the end of two, I don't know. So I don't know what how much more vlogging I'm gonna do. I might try to catch some small tomorrow, maybe on my phone. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my camera. Anyways, yeah, I'll just see what happens when I edit. Thanks y'all for watching. Have a good day, night, morning, whatever time you're watching this, and God bless. Hi guys, good morning. Hello, I'm dressed and ready part one. I'm going to recurl some of these curls, come on a bit more fuller. Yeah, I'm like basically ready for the wedding. The color theme is pink or different shades of pink. So I don't know if I should wear a pink top with this skirt or just keep it like this. I don't know. But I'm going quickly to Ostu to buy some bits and bobs, get a new SIM card because I'm done with this network. I'm using Airtel something, but I'm going to MTN. I want to go to Vodafone, but I don't know where Vodafone is, so I'm going to go to MTN and just get a new SIM card. My data on this SIM card I'm currently using being finished. So yeah, my data is currently nearly finished. So as soon as it's finished, I'm just going to switch SIM cards and just be done. Like I think this is my Uber driver. I'm not my Uber driver. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, thank you. I'm coming up now. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, that's my. I'm not using Uber. I'm using this other app called Bolt. And so far so good. So, what's going on with this phone? Like it's non-stop. Anyways, yeah, let's go to Osu, do what I gotta do, and then I'm gonna come back and then yeah. I think I should even take this top off. I don't think I want to wear this now. Like maybe I should wear something else to go out in and then get changed when I come back. I'm back. It probably looks like in my clips that I haven't actually moved because I didn't take my camera out with me to Osu, and I've done the same thing although I changed music. My Lord, He sent me into this dark world. Please raise me somehow. Oh Lord, as a candle in the dark. Okay, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but I'm officially ready. I showed you guys my outfit already, but heels on and everything. Please excuse the mess. I'm gonna clean that up. I recurled some of my hair, retouched my lips, and I'm ready to go. Andrew just messaged me telling me she's running a bit late. I wonder she'll have a big bag to hold my camera because I want to bring it. But I don't know where to put it. I went to the phone shop. I went to MTN. I was gonna get 4 gig for 40 cedis, but then they only took cash. I had 30 cedis on me. I had a card. Like, oh, so I had to go to I went to my place and my network, and just topped up 1 cedi. And I'm gonna see actually how good the network is in Mampong, because if it's good I'm just gonna top up 4 with this one and then have it for camp. But if it's not, I'm gonna switch over when I come back, maybe later today or tomorrow, or probably not tomorrow, Sunday, Monday morning before. I don't even know how I'm getting to camp. Gotta make a way.